Good morning, student. I hope you all are well. Today we are describe all the barrier method, all the control method of birth control. Okay. So here we have a first slide. This is calendar rhythm method. Means if we talk about the birth control method, so birth control method is of two types. First one is natural family planning, which is natural birth control method, and second one is artificial family planning, means artificial birth method. Okay. So here we go with first natural family planning method, means how you control birth, how you birth control by natural form. Okay, means uh, according to this slide, by recognition of rate of their menstrual cycle, women calculate the time when the egg is produced by the ovary and can be fertilized by the man's sperm. During this unsafe time, means about it is 10 days in each month, the couple need to be abstained from sex. There are three ways of estimating the safe period, mostly calendar, temperature and mucus method. Here we describe only two methods. First one is as you see in your slide, as you see in screen, it's a calendar rhythm method. Okay. So this method of family planning is required sexual absentees on the days when a woman is fertile. Means how we calculate ovulation day. So that one is the fertile period day. So women have to be absentees their sexual course during these days, and failure of this system is very common because it is difficult to predict precisely when a particular woman ovulation will occur. Okay. So it's a calendar rhythm method. It's a first birth control method of in natural form. Second one, it is a mucus method. Means what is mucus method? This method is based on the fact that the mucus secreted by the cervix thins and increases in quality at ovulation. Means the thickness of a discharge should be checked daily. Finding a woman fertile day can be useful for a couple who are trying to have a baby as for those who are not. Okay. So these are all natural method. Other natural method of contraception include coitus interruptus, means withdrawal of the penis from the vagina before touching, or washing out the vagina immediately after intercourse, which are reduce but not eliminate the possibilities of pregnancy. Okay. So coitus interrupts, as I said, that withdrawal of the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. Okay. And touching or washing out the vagina immediately after intercourse, which reduce the possibilities of pregnancy. Last one is method on birth control in the natural form is lactational amenorrhea, means absentees of menstruation method. It is based on fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. As long as the mother feeds their baby fully, the chances of conception are almost nil. However, this method has been found effective only up to maximum period of 6 months, not after that. Okay. So beta, these are all the natural barrier method, natural birth control method. As we here explain about natural family method, calendar rhythmic first method. Okay. Second one is mucus method, and third one is coitus interruption, where withdrawal of penis from vagina or washing of vagina immediately after intercourse, and the last one is lactational amenorrhea method. Okay. In exam, if there is talk about write the four natural barrier method of birth control, you have to be write on calendar rhythm method, mucus method, coitus interrupt, lactational amenorrhea. These are all are contribute on this. Okay. Now second, we have to be go with artificial planning method, means natural method of contraception have a practice of for centuries, but they are all unreliable. So in recent time they are replaced by some scientific method, which are we talk about now. Okay. So in artificial planning method, or a artificial birth control method. First method is barrier contraception. Okay, so barrier contraceptive are just what their name suggests, are the physical barrier that either keeps sperm out entity or prevent them from penetrating very far into the woman reproductive system. They are inexpensive, simple, and have the major advantage of causing almost no serious side effect. So in ads, in your TV ads, you have to be heard about the condom. So the most popular barrier is the condom. It is a sheet of rubber or a plastic that is worn over the penis during intercourse to receive the semen when it is ejaculated. Okay, the means it also affords some protection against viral disease, STD disease. Okay, and second is another barrier contraceptive is diaphragm. It is rubber cap inserted in the vagina that block the passage of sperm into the womb. It is simple to use but should be treated first time by a doctor or nurse to establish the correct size. Okay, as an added safeguard, it may be covered with the spermicide before insertion, and it should not be removed for at least 6 hours after the intercourse. So it take a long time, and it is very difficult to be do by yourself. It is be done by nurse or a doctor. Okay, and beside this cervical cap and warts are also used over there. Now one more thing is spermicidal agent. It means spermicidal agent are is in the form of like cream, jellies, suppositories, and intended the insertion in high into the vagina just before intercourse. They mean to destroy the sperm chemically. They should be used either with condom or diaphragm, as they are less effective by themselves. Okay, so here we discuss about first method, barrier contraception method, where we discuss about diaphragm, condom, spermicidal agents. Okay, now second is IUD. IUD stands for intrauterine device. Means a variety of plastic devices including coils and loops can be placed in the womb to prevent the fertilized egg become implant in the wall of the wall of the womb where it would grow. These intrauterine devices are inserted in the womb by medical professionals or doctor. These intrauterine devices are available as non-medicated IUD, is copper releasing IUD. We also it can buy from CU7, multi-load 375. These are three names or other names. It means it is very important because in exam you have to be get 1 marks question like give three names of intrauterine devices. So you have to be write down there just like CUT, cut, copper T, CU7, multi-load 375. These all are the example of IUD. So okay, and hormone releasing IUDs like LNG20 IUD increase phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus, and the Cu iron means copper iron release suppress sperm motility, and the fertile capacity of sperm is nil now. The hormone releasing IUD in addition make the uterus unsuitable for the implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperm. Means IUD are the ideal contraceptive for females who want to delay pregnancy as space for child, and due to their effectiveness these devices are much popular. However, when the IUD is initially put in, sometimes it's caused uh, cramp like menstruation bleeding, and the some women cannot tolerate the devices. Okay, so it also increases the chances of ectopic pregnancy. You know the ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means where baby is planted in tube, fertile tube, fallopian tube. That one is not possible pregnancy, and there is many dangers in this pregnancy. Okay, so these are some causes also in intrauterine devices. Second one is now we have to be go with this. These are pills and injection. But for sterilization, pills are very far the most effective method of contraceptive. It is of two types. Okay, pills of birth control are of two types. First one is combined pills, means it consists of hormone estrogen and progesterone. Second one is mini pill which consist of only progesterone. Okay, these pills are taken orally by women, not by men. Okay, so estrogen is the combined pill work by stopping the ovary for shedding their eggs, and the effect of progesterone is to make the mucus of the cervix hostile to sperm and change the character of the womb lining so that it is unfavorable for the implantation of fertilized egg. Okay, so the combination pill must be taken for 21 days, then omitted for 7 days, during which menstrual bleeding occurs. The same pill taking schedule must be followed as for long as the woman want to avoid becoming pregnant. And on the other hand, the mini pills containing progesterone is taken every day, and it works not by suppressing ovulation but by preventing the egg from attaching itself to the uterine lining, means endothelium. This perfects by the thickening the cervical mucus to prevent passage of sperm. Okay, one most important, there is Saheli. I think you all heard about the Saheli. The new oral contraceptive for the female contain a non-steroidal preparation. It's a once a week. It is a once a week pill with very few side effects and high contraceptive value. So these are the effective, very effective for birth control. Now in last birth control, we have to be go with next method. That one is okay, that one is sterilization method. Okay, sterilization means surgical method. It is also called sterilization, are generally advised for the male and female partners as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancy. Surgical is of two types. Male sterilization is called vasectomy, and female sterilization is called tubal ligation. Okay, so male sterilization vasectomy takes 15 to 30 minutes. The tube which carries sperm from the testis to the penis are tied and cut. There is no chance in sexual feeling or sex life after operation, as there will be still be an orgasm, but the fluid does not contain sperm. And in fertile sterilization, the fallopian tube which carry egg from the ovary to the womb are tied and cut. This is done through a very small incision in the abdomen near the navel, and there are usually no side effects. And though some women have irregular, slightly heavier periods. Okay, okay. So these are all about the natural and artificial control method. I hope you all understand that. There is one more thing, medical termination of pregnancy. We elaborate it in our next lecture. Here we discuss about some important point, that medical termination pregnancy. Under Medical Termination Pregnancy Act 1971, medical termination of pregnancy can be done in pregnant women up to 20 weeks if pregnancy is likely to result in birth of a malformed child, or pregnancy is likely to harm the mother in the existing circumstances, and in cases of contraceptive failure. Studies have been shown that vacuum aspiration is a safe and effective method for terminating first trimester of pregnancy. Means first trimester means first 3 months of pregnancy is safe for abortion, for termination of that pregnancy. But after that it is very dangerous to both women and their child. Okay, most of the method birth control should use under the supervision of qualified medical practitioners. And the National Family Welfare Program was launched in India in 1951 with the objective of reducing the birth rate to the extent necessary to stabilize the population at level consistent with the requirement of national economy. And the family welfare program implanted through the state government have percent central absentees. This is all about birth control method. In our next lecture, we discuss about medical termination of pregnancy, inequality of sexes, infertility. There is most of cases where there is infertility is caused, finding their cause, their remedy, and also very important ART, assisted reproductive technology, and test tube babies. You heard about the test tube. These all are very interesting topics. We have to be discuss it, but it will be done in our next lecture. Please see this slide, see this video, understand this. If you have any query, please contact with me in Zoom classes. Thank you.